In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to become a verified creator on Jiffy. I wanted to find out how to put a custom GIF on TikTok. GIF. It's pronounced GIF. Because I wanted to advertise my YouTube on TikTok, baby. Okay, watch this. According to this dude right here, you can easily get verified on Jiffy, and that will allow you to make GIFs or GIFs, and you'll be able to upload those to Instagram and TikTok. Aha.
Step 1.
Wait, what did he say there?
Apply to be verified in order for your stickers to be publicly available.
Wait,
Giphy's guidelines don't allow you to upload commercial pieces for brands to your own profile.
hang on.
Process of getting verified is pretty easy. Small businesses may not be approved.
Okay, red flag. I'm not sure what that means, but it sounds like a gray area.
Anyway, how to get verified is as simple as...
All right, let's try it. Giphy.com/apply. Okay, join as an artist or brand with content you've created or your own. That's my Gmail password. Get scammed all the time. Boom, boom, boom. My YouTube one. Okay, submit application. Congrats, your application has been successfully submitted. We receive a high volume of applications every day. This can take a while. In the meantime, live your life. We'll notify you via email if your status changes. Back to Giphy. Okay, that's how you apply for brand status on Giphy. Hit like, subscribe. When they answer, I'll let you know if I became verified on Giphy. Bye.